This week I have a giveaway from Kraemer Yarns for 3 Chestnut Hill Shawl kits, the shawl on the mannequin behind me. And we can go ahead and cut away to a picture so you can see the whole thing. This is designed by Vanessa Ewing. It is a big, generous knit that you can sink your teeth into. I had a lot of fun making this. And we have a tutorial coming up on this shawl next week. So we'll announce the winners of the giveaway and have a tutorial all next week. And I have a few of the color combinations here that Kraemer has put together for the kits. And this is just a few of them. This pattern uses their Perfection Sport. I got all stumbled up because I was almost going to say Perfection DK, because this Perfection yarn comes in so many different weights. I have a few of the kit colors here, but there are more, or the winners can just pick from the Perfection Sport colors available, which is that they have like 70+ colors. It's another reason I love this yarn. I personally love it when someone else picks yarn colors for me. The Perfection line is a merino blend. It knits up like wool, it feels like wool, but it's very easy care. I love this yarn. And I'm gonna give you some links. If you click the little eye in the upper right-hand corner, that will take you to my website. You'll find all the links there. I'll also put all the links in the video description field below. The first one will be to my website so you can sign up for the giveaway. And the other links will be to the Kraemer Chestnut Hill Shawl kit page. You can take a look at the different kit colors they've put together. And when you order a kit, you get all the yarn you need and the pattern. I'll also give you a link to the Perfection Sport page on its own, just the yarn, if you want to take a look at all of the colors. And I know people who enjoy picking their own colors, not me. I like kits. You can imagine the colors you want and then go to the website. Because there are so many colors there, chances are they will have colors very close to what you've imagined. It's like you don't even have to go there and shop and see what's there. You can imagine it first and then go look. One of the reasons I love this yarn. Anyway, so next week, tutorial, and we'll announce the winners. I told you where to click all the links. I think that's it for now, until next week. So good luck.